Hello students. So in this video we are going to learn about logarithm. This is an important topic of mathematics. So I am making this video because this topic is not covered in CBSE curriculum till class 10. So from class 11 there will be application of the logarithm in mathematics, also in physics. So students find it difficult, so that is why I am making this video. And what is a logarithm? So logarithm is an inverse process of exponentation. We know, we have learned about exponential power. So suppose 2 is multiplied 5 times, we get 32. Okay, we know this. 2 is multiplied 5 times to get 32. Suppose we don't know how many times 2 is multiplied to get 32. In that case, we can find out the log of 32 to get this, the exponent, because 5 is the exponent. So the abbreviation of logarithm we use as log. The log of 32, to base 2, this is the base when we express it in logarithm. So this gives us the meaning of the log of 32 to base 2 is how many times the base 2 is multiplied to get the number 32. We know this is 5, so this is equal to 5. Then log of 1000 to base 10. So this is equal to how much? Means how many times the base 10 is multiplied to get 1000. We know it is 3 times we are multiplying to get 1000. So this is again number of times. The answer will be 3, because the 3 times we multiply 10 to get 1000. Okay. So when the base of a log is used 10, so these logarithms are known as the common logarithm or the decimal logarithm. Sometimes we use e as the base of a logarithm. So what is the e? E is a mathematical constant. It is similar to pi. It is an irrational number. The approximate value of e is 2.817. Okay. So when we use e as a base of a log, then this type of the logarithms are known as natural logarithm. Means natural logarithm has we use e as a base, and sometimes we use 2 as the base of a log. Okay, in that case those logarithms are known as binary logarithm. Okay, so binary logarithms are used in computer system. John Napier was the first mathematician who used this logarithm. So who introduced logarithm to simplify the calculations. So now there are widespread of application of logarithm to perform high accuracy application more easily. Okay, so John Napier introduced logarithm in 1614, so nearly 400 years before. So the log of 16 to base 2, what will be the value here? The meaning of log of 16 to base 2 means how many times the base 2 is multiplied to get 16. We know it is 4. The 2 is multiplied 4 times to get 16. The answer is 4. The log of 16 to base 2, it is written like this. This is denoted like this. Sometimes we do not write the base. We write it as the log of 16. Okay. So when in most of the logarithm, when we do not write the base, we consider the base as 10. Okay. So let us discuss about some of the properties of logarithm. Suppose the first property is the log of a into b. A and b are two numbers. So this is when we find out the log of the product of two numbers. So this is equal to the sum of the log of the individual numbers. That is the factors, the factor of the numbers. So log of a into b equal to log of a plus log of b. So we can take an example. So log of 6, we know log 6 equal to 2 into 3. So this is equal to log of 2 plus log of 3. So here we are not using the written the base. Okay, when base is not written, in that case sometimes we use, in most of the cases we assume the base is 10. Otherwise, if it is not mentioned, something different. Okay, so the next one is the log of a by b. So when we find out the logarithm of a fraction, means a number is divided by another number, we find out the logarithm of this, then this is equal to the log of a minus log of b. So we can take an example. So log of 2 by 3. So this is equal to the log of the numerator minus log of the denominator. So let us take the next one. The next property is log of a to the power n equal to, n can be any real values. We can take the log of a raised to the power n equal to n into the log of a. Okay, we can take an example. We can take an example. So suppose the log of 2 raised to the power 5 equal to 5 into log of 2. The fourth property is log of 1 is always 0. The fifth property is log of a to base b equal to, we can introduce another number c, that is log of a to base c into log of c into base b. Sure, this is how we can write. So let us take an example. Log of 2 to base 10. Sure, this is equal to log of 2 to base e into log of e to base 10. Okay, so these are the properties of log. So we can apply these properties to simplify the calculations when log is used. So these are the properties we use. Okay, and why log is used, the logarithms are used to make the calculation simple. Okay, so most of the difficult, this is not difficult, more yes, we can say in a lengthy calculation we can make it short. Okay, thank you.